Okay, last verb, last function. Yes, have someone do something. We use this to ask someone to do something for us. Yes, we talk about someone doing something for us which we had already asked or instruct them to do. In this case, as in the modal, in the causative verb get, yes, the emphasis is on the person who does the action and not the action itself. So for present simple we have subject plus have or has, somebody, and infinitive. Yes, the bare infinitive. A bare infinitive is the verb alone. If we have a full infinitive like we have in get, yes, that's a full infinitive, to plus the verb. So we have here I have my secretary, yes, this is the person, send the infinitive, the papers. The other example would be he has his secretary send you the papers. For a negative, as you have already seen in previous videos, we have the subject, do or does, have, somebody. Here this is the other way around. When it's first the M, then the P. Then I will check it. Then I will change it for you in the PDF. Somebody and the infinitive. So the examples will be I don't have my secretary send you the papers, or he doesn't have, and here is missing not, I will change it later, his secretary send you the papers. Here is the same that I have already explained to you. The third person singular flexion goes in the auxiliary verb and not in the main verb. Let's go with the questions. Again, the same that I have already said. The flex is on the auxiliary verb, so we have do you have somebody, in this case the secretary, send me the papers, or does he have his secretary send you the papers? If we want to use present continuous, we need a subject, is or are, having, the main verb in ing, somebody, and the verb in infinitive, the action in infinitive. So the examples would be you are having your secretary, here is misspelled, send me the papers. Another example would be he is having his secretary send you the papers. For a negative would be same but adding not, you would be the subject, aren't having your secretary send me the papers. He is not having his secretary send you the papers. It sounds weird, yes? It feels like there is something missing, but this is the way that this causative verb functions. And the last one, so the questions would be is or are, yes, if we do not need or we do not want to use a WH word. Are, like in this example, we need a subject, you, having, because it is a continuous tense, the secretary is that somebody, that person, sent the verb in infinitive me the papers. The other example will be, is he sending? Yes, here it's incorrect. Here it should be having. Is he having the secretary send you the papers? All this is going to be corrected in the PDF. The present perfect would be subject, yes, plus have or has. The had, this is my main verb in the past participle. Somebody, the person that is going to be is going to do the action for us, and the action. I have had the secretary send you the papers. I have had the secretary send you the papers. For third person singular, we have has, she has had sent you the paper. She has had the secretary send you the papers. In the negative, same thing, but are not. I have not had the secretary send you the papers. She hasn't had the secretary send you the papers. For questions, we begin with have or has. Then I need a subject, had in the past participle because it is a perfect tense, the person that do the action and the action. Have you had the secretary send me the papers? Has she had the secretary send you the papers? And this is present perfect. Now in some minutes we are going to deal with past tenses.